First, you need to decide what size drive you want to use. I recommend at least 128 to 256 gigabytes, ideally 512 gigabytes plus for longer archiving of Sentry clips if you only want to use the drive for Sentry. One partition and formatting in the car is sufficient if you want to use the same drive for music, Boombox, and light show. It is recommended to create multiple partitions. You can find the procedure in my next video. 1. The best and most reliable option. High Pro Endurance Microsd Card Plus USB Adapter Way. These cards are designed specifically for dash cams, surveillance continuous overriding. Extreme temperatures in cars from -40 to +85°C, high TBW. Terabytes of writing, cheap, small. Low power consumption, long life. 2. Portable SSD drives for larger capacity and music. Higher capacity 500 GB 2 TB, fast, good for partitioning videos plus music, but more expensive, more heat, higher power. Consumption, not ideal for extreme temperatures in the car. 3. Classic USB flash drives only in emergencies. Why not? Standard models fail quickly due to low endurance. Recommended allocation by capacity 128 gigabytes minimum recommended size. Tesla Dashcam 100 to 110 gigabytes for approximately 15 to 20 hours of video before overwriting. Music 18 to 28 gigabytes enough for thousands of songs in MP3 FLAC. 0.56 gigabytes best for normal use. Tesla Dashcam 200 to 220 gigabytes for approximately 30 to 40 hours of video. Ideal for frequent Sentry mode. Music 36 to 56 gigabytes for a large library, including FLAC. 512 gigabytes for more video archiving. Tesla Dashcam for 100 to 450 gigabytes for approximately 70 to 80 hours, less frequent deletion. Music 62 to 112 gigabytes for a huge collection or even movies. Closing parenthesis. 1 TB for maximum comfort, e.g. Samsung T7, Tesla Dashcam 800 to 900 gigabytes for hundreds of hours. Almost endless archiving of saved clips. Music 100 to 200 gigabytes for a complete collection plus extras. Before use, format to exFAT and create a Tesla Dashcam folder. Plug into the glove box USB port. Thank you for your like and subscription.